I see him walking along a track, like a railroad track. He didn't work for the railroad or anything, did he? Did he take trains? Did he love trains? Anything like that?
He did have a an interest in trains. He wanted to be a train driver. He was a bus driver in London.
Oh, well, there you go. You see how
Yeah,
that works.
yeah, that's crazy.
So these sort of images always mean something, the way they came. So what I'm seeing is him walking along the track and getting goosebumps. And what I'm sensing is Donna, he's talking to me. It's like walking on a train track, what's happening right now. He says you can either walk along the track and get somewhere, or you can put yourself on a bullet train and get there faster. So he's asking me, which would you rather do? And I'm feeling in my heart, well, look, I don't want to get there fast unless I'm ready to be there.